This is your 1-minute coder news from the voice of custom coding. How do you avoid orange peel in powder coating? Bruce Hilbert of Tiger Surface Solutions has the answer. In his 16-point article, one of the most common quality issues with powder coating is orange peel. Orange peeling is defined as an uneven texture on smooth finished products. It resembles the skin of citrus fruit, hence the orange peel name. The level of orange peel is visibly determined by comparing to industry standards typically set by the Powder Coating Institute. Here are a few of the checkpoints. Your film thickness is too high or low. Check system parameters to determine whether it is the case. The powder has been stored too long or it has pre-reacted. To fix this, check the storage time. If powder is too old, exchange with fresher powder. You're experiencing back ionization. Try reducing the voltage or increase the distance between the workpiece and the gun. The powder flow is too high. To correct, lower the powder feed. The coating time is too long. To correct, lower the coating time. You can find this article at tiger-coatings.com. And that's been your 1-minute coder news. See you next time.